In this tutorial, I'll go through and show my After Effects to DaVinci workflow. Here's one of my cinematic videos I made from this Corvette a few months ago. I'm going to walk you through the steps I took with making this video. What I always check first is my composition settings and set my color settings. I use 4K resolution and 60 frames per second timeline. For color management, I use OCO Color Managed with 32 bits per channel. Working color space is set to raw and display color space to ACES/sRGB. After that, I add my audio layers and mark beats so it's easier to match the clips later. Then I start by adding one clip at a time, slowing it down and then stabilizing it. This is shot on 60 frames per second, so I slowed it down 50%. As you can see, I've turned the stretch factor to 200%, which slows it down. After slowing it down, I'll use warp stabilizer and then tracking to make the clips as smooth as possible. Similarly like I would in DaVinci. After that, I watch the edit through a couple of times, and if it looks good, I head on to rendering. Composition. Add to render queue. I set output module to lossless or high quality, and set format option to Apple ProRes 4444XQ, which is pretty much lossless. Be aware that the file sizes are going to be huge and rendering can take some time, but you can delete this one later when we render it again from DaVinci. Change the file name and hit render. Once it has rendered, open DaVinci. Drag the file to your media pool and then hit reveal in media storage. After that, select Scene Cut Detection. Click Auto Scene Detect. Add clips to media pool. After that, set your project settings. I usually go with these. Drag the clips to the timeline, open one of them, and make your color grade to it. After you've graded the first clip, hit Clips, then this icon here and click Selected Clips. Hold Command and select all the other clips. Hit Apply Grade, then Replace. After that, I color match the clips. Basically, make sure the exposure, temperature, and overall look is similar to the other clips. Finally, hit Render. Change the name and location. Change codec to H.265, and under Quality, restrict the value to 24,000. Add to render queue and then render. That's basically it.